My name is Jeff Dymond. I'm a senior architect in Dell's IoT Center of Excellence business. One of the things you need to think about in your IoT journey is manageability and scale. We help you do that from delivering world-class infrastructure and compute. You will have multiple use cases with different workloads, and you may have multiple clouds. We have disconnected the workloads from the clouds. The reason why is for the flexibility of your workloads. Around your enterprise, you may have 10,000 individual works of art. How are you going to maintain those? Well, with our VMware Pulse IoT Center, we can download security patches, OS patches, and application patches. And the OS that runs in your edge devices doesn't matter. Is it Microsoft, is it Ubuntu, is it Dell's Photon OS? We can manage them all. Scale is how do I roll those out across my enterprise? Right? Our OEM solutions can preload these edge devices and deliver them to you preloaded with your application stack in there. Inputs from the field or the plant level can be varied in many. With the Dell edge devices, we can take in multiple protocols, multiple inputs as the things into the edge devices. With Dell Technologies' ecosystem of OEM partners, we deliver world-class solutions to help you along your IoT journey.